It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The body grabs you, the interior draws you in, and the engine keeps you coming back. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern midsize luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. High style, high performance. Mercedes-Benz. Experience it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,